On my channel, and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the weekly chart of Q&K International Group. Now, on the first look, you can clearly see that the stock has moving from the highs of $100 to as low as 98 cents. So there is nothing which we can talk about, okay, because the stock has lost almost everything. But if you observe closely, we can't talk about for long-term trend or for trend reversal or for big trend, that's fine. But for short-term trend, there are some trading bounce back that are happening time to time, and that's what we are trying to find out in this particular chart. So basically, it's for a simple trading bounce back. There is, let's say, there is a potential or not, and then we will discuss about it. So let's start analyzing this chart. Let's go to the daily chart. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. So a very steep fall in the last one and a half year, that is very much visible, and there is no denial in that fact. But if you observe this chart closely, okay, if you observe this chart closely, what you can see over here. So here we are. If you observe this chart closely, you will see a trend line above which all the price actions are happening. Okay, and that's why it is very important to understand this chart where you have your stop loss at 83 cents. Please do not go below this level on the downside, because we have a very selected range on the upside as well. Okay, so as you can see, 0.83 on the downside, and as far as the upper end of the range is concerned, so this is what we have here. Okay, and there is an extension as well, so we are going to discuss about that also. So in case, as you can see, there is an extension. So this is the range that we are talking about. We are not going anywhere else. And please take a very important note that this kind of moves are generally very risky, and people, yes, tend to get attracted because of the cheap price of or very low prices of the stock. But you understand the risk, because it does not matter whether the stock is trading at $1 or $100. You have the same amount of money and you are going to put that money into X, Y, or Z stock. It's not about the price of the stock. It's all about the money you have and the kind of a risk you are taking. Okay. So what do we have here on the upside is your first range, which is in between 1.5 and 1.8. So this is it. Okay, in case it will move further, then we have an extension which will be or in between 1.89 and 2.44. But the chances or the probability of this extension is low. The high probability we have here is 1.5 and 1.8. And if a very big price expansion is happening or something like that, in that case, if the stock manages to move above $3, then we are going to talk about some different scenarios, but that is out of the focus right now. We are just looking for a couple of cents here and there, and most probably $1.5 on the upside, or let's say $2 on the upside. We are not going beyond that. Okay, and as I told you, if market or if this stock performs exceptionally well or move like 300, 400 or 500% in a single day, then scenarios will change. So for that, we need to look at $3 as an observatory point, not a target. You can't include that $3 in this, when I'm saying 2.44, you can't add $3 on top of that. So this is the end of the video. Thanks.